times. So overall, I would say Toshi's most likely going to see some consolidation here and then see an explosive movement to the upside. How high? Well, normally when you break out of a bull flag, you go the length of the flagpole. That's what this is called right here, the flagpole. So what you do is you draw the length of the flagpole and you kind of just drag it out where you think it's going to break. This gives you a little bit of a general idea of the momentum if we break out of this bull flag, which would technically bring us all the way up to around 001, which if you measure that range from the current price is approximately 180%. So a 2.8x move after this consolidation phase is over is possible. It's definitely possible. And then obviously if we draw our fibs on the bull flag, we'll find our support and resistance areas along the way. So our fibs from the high to the low, you can see in the short term, we are finding some heavy resistance at that 786 area at about 0007. We got rejected off it once, twice, three times right here, and now we're currently finding support. But meantime, I think towards the end of May, beginning of June, Toshi should be out of this consolidation bull flag, and we should be seeing some very, very volatile movement to the upside for it. Like I mentioned, that all the coins are in circulation, which is awesome. Very small market cap of only 200, what was that, 228, 292 million. So you do have the juice to do it. You do have the moon juice to do it. And then if you draw the larger fib off the 2025 bottom, we actually are holding support at the 786 as well. So overall, Toshi isn't looking bad. I would just expect a little bit of chop here. Like I've mentioned several times in my videos, I'm not interested in the short-term trading stuff anymore. I'm more looking into the buy and hold for the remainder of this bull run. My personal opinion, bull run is going to be over end of October, beginning of November this year. So I'm just stacking and holding, stacking and holding. This isn't my first, well, I'm not trying to brag, but this isn't my first rodeo. I've been in crypto for quite a while now. Patterns repeat. And right now what we need to focus on is the 786. Get over the 786 and that'll confirm that movement to the upside. Now, overall, if you want to have a general guess on where this thing can go, you do have a 1618, the golden ratio up here at about 005. That's a pretty big gain from where we're currently at. If you look at that and drag it, that's about a 7x gain from where we're currently at, which is easily doable with a small market cap like this. In the hype of the bull run, you have that 1 to 2 month of mania phase where everybody's making money and greed is off the charts. This is very easily attainable to get up to that 1618 area. So I wouldn't be surprised at all if that was the case. On top of that, since it came out here in November 2024, we've been putting in higher highs and higher lows. So I wouldn't be surprised at all if it was something like that for Toshi. Overall, long term's not looking horrible. The 3 days not. We talked about the 1 day. Then overall, the weekly, we don't have any data really because it's a rather new coin on here. So what we really want to focus on here in the short term is overtaking that 786 area at about 007. But in the meantime, I do think this coin's going to perform exceptionally well during the bull run. Like we're only 69% down from the all-time high. All the coins are in circulation, and we're not even close to $1 billion market cap yet. We're at a little over $250 million market cap. So it's super likely that Toshi will see a decent sized run here in the future. It's just patience, man. Money transfers from the impatient to the patient. That's pretty much the key to crypto, guys. You know, buy fear, sell greed. Money transfers from the impatient to the patient. Those are the only really two things you need to know. Be patient, don't be greedy. That's pretty much it. Be patient, don't be greedy, buy fear. That's it, guys. So Toshi's looking pretty solid in my personal opinion. With that, none of this is financial advice. And if there's any coins you'd like me to chart, you can just send me a super chat in the comments and I'll get to your coin as soon as possible. Thank you.